The journey from Shillong to Cherrapunji is a captivating drive through the heart of Meghalaya's stunning hill country. Covering a distance of about 54 kilometers, the route takes approximately 1.5 to 2 hours by car. As you leave Shillong's pine-fringed streets behind, the road winds through rolling hills, misty valleys, and pockets of dense forest. The landscape constantly changes from open grassland to dramatic cliffside views, with clouds often trailing just above the road. Along the way, travelers can stop at scenic spots like the Mawkdok Dympep Valley Viewpoint and Kaba Falls, perfect for short breaks and photography. The cool climate, clean air, and occasional drizzle make the drive peaceful and refreshing. Cherrapunji, locally known as Sohra, is a small town in Meghalaya's East Khasi hills, famous for being one of the wettest places on earth. Perched at an altitude of around 1,430 meters, Cherrapunji is surrounded by dramatic landscapes, towering cliffs, deep valleys, and dense greenery shaped by heavy rainfall throughout the year.